Triang ba kejelau Conrad kesang ma rengkat sembut bitang ba oba Prestone tensong blepet jagam tenat kampo yeng kejela kila sam Shithi Thungkam syaki Hajar kendai spa rupu prangut ibarungkam Thymmai hak tenat Pulit mentaka sengi kasan terik lebel ajar punriu ya kene sam Shithi Thungkam la pelong hamadan second MLP Battalion Kore Dura hak ba don lang do ka DGP kekong ida sisya nongrang bat kiwei Ibarungkam Thymmai hak tenat kampulit ikintup ka branch
Nutrient
constable
Senga CH
kiba
Modi,
don kat saus pa kai
Deputy
saungut
Commandant,
ha on
1st MLP
branch
Battalion.
constable nyos pa apungut MPRO operator ars pa sangut fireman sis pa kai sangut noragi UBSI ki driver fireman driver constable bat kiwei kidon kumba silak nyupu hajar ngut kisamla ki apply kam hanrai kiba yok dari tang hajar khandai spa rubu prangut Katkum bijing ong Conrad hagini gi prasnem blasen cia soka MDA la Thungkam kumba khatway Hajar ngot ai.
Memorable day for each and every one of us who's present out here. For us in the government, this is a memorable day because, at least in my memory, this must be the largest distribution of appointment letters that I have ever seen in the recent past, or even I think in the entire history of the state. So therefore, for us as a government, this is a very, very proud and a very, very memorable moment. For the CRB and the Home Police Department, again a memorable day, because not only was this exercise a very, very difficult one, because there were over 170,000 people who had applied, but even the satisfaction today of being able to appoint close to 3,000 people, having new members coming into their team, this in itself must be a sense, or giving a sense of great satisfaction and happiness to the police department. Because I'm sure that even they must have been looking forward for this day, must have thought about this almost every day and night. And I'm sure they must be feeling extremely proud to see their daughters, their sons, their brothers, their sisters, today to be proudly receiving these appointment letters. And of course, this is a very memorable day for you, our new recruits. But I have to tell you that this is not just a memorable day. This is not just a ceremonial program, but this is a day which I hope you will remember for the rest of your life. It's a day that I hope will remind you of the great responsibility that you have on your shoulders. I hope this day will also remind you about the principles on which you will have to perform your duties as you take on your responsibilities and roles.